treatments have already commenced. Slindalo Masigane, Johannesburg.
Now, some cancer patients from the Charlotte Maxeke Academic Hospital in Johannesburg say they feel stranded. This as the oncology department remains closed due to the fire in the hospital last month. The blaze, which raged on for almost 24 hours, resulted in the hospital's closure for more than a week. Patients had to be transferred to the Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital in Soweto and the Steve Biko Hospital in Pretoria. Masego Ratlaga reports.
Ashley Bezadenhout recently found out she has type 2B colon cancer. She was told she had to start with chemotherapy at the Charlotte Maxeke Academic Hospital urgently and was supposed to have her first session last month. But the fire broke out at the facility just a week before she was meant to go there.
It has left us stranded. We don't know where we're going or who to speak to. It's scary not knowing who or where you're going to go to for help.
She says her colostomy bag had started giving her sleepless nights and she had to go to the Edenvale Hospital out of desperation. Ashley adds that what frightens her is that 3 weeks have gone by without treatment and she asks herself whether the cancer has spread. The helpline the patients have been given to call has really not been helpful.
They tell us call the hotline, get help from somebody there to direct you where you need to go. But when we phone, it's either the line is congested or you get this voice telling you, we have an influx of calls, please try again later.
But as she was about to give up, she was told about the Cancer Association. And it says Ashley is not the only patient from the hospital who has approached them for assistance.
Between 22 and 25 patients and their families who have been contacting us. And they're so desperate, I must mention that.
The association says it's working with the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital to assist patients. The facility admits there have been issues since the fire, but says it's doing everything it can.
In the 2 weeks after the fire, we were not able to access the patient records. And I would like to really apologize to our patients for this disruption because we understand that cancer is a very serious illness and it needs to be treated regularly. However, due to the disaster, we were not able to meet our obligation.
Self-employed and not knowing how she will afford traveling from northern Johannesburg to Soweto for treatment, Ashley says she is hoping Charlotte Maxeke reopens for cancer treatment soon. The Gauteng Infrastructure Development Department is still assessing the building's